Hey friends, welcome back to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see four different things. We are going to see how to create a new scribe, how to store data online cloud, then we are going to look after the settings, and finally we are going to look after the saved projects. So first of all, let us start with the settings. Here, there are the settings. So like, what is the auto saving time, default transition time, and you can choose the number that you want here. What is the default image quality? If you want higher resolution, you can go for it, but generally I prefer to go for the default settings. Then if you have some saved projects, you can select those projects from here. This is where you can save your videos online. And finally, this is how we will start a new scribe. So we have to click here on the plus sign so that we can start with our VideoScribe. And these were the videos that I have made for my clients. This was for an educational institute where I had explained various stages of doing PhD. Then these were interview tips for my clients, and these are types of researches. This is how we can make different videos. Now let us start with a new project. So this is the first window that you will see once you enter into the VideoScribe. And one by one in our coming tutorials, we will see how can we maximize the use of VideoScribe. Thank you all. See you in the next class.